Water spots. If you leave it on for too long, it will damage your paint. So let me show you how simple it is to get rid of them. We washed the car, we clayed the car, but we're still stuck with these hard-on water spots. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of them in a few easy steps. Even though we already prepped the surface, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get some speed wipe. We're gonna wipe off the surface just in case the car picked up any light debris to prevent any scratches and swirls. And as I'm wiping down the car, I'm gonna do it in linear motions just so that I'm not creating any more scratches and swirls that the car might already have. So you could also spray the speed wipe directly onto the paint, but in this case, I'm gonna just spray it onto my microfiber towel as I'm wiping down the surface. Then I'm gonna flip over to the dry side of my microfiber towel and then just remove any residue. And as you can see, even after washing the car, cleaning the car, and now using a quick detailer, the water spots are still on there. And now for the next step, we're gonna use our heavy duty water spot remover gel paired with a clean microfiber applicator. The first thing you're gonna do is shake up your product, open it up, and since I'm only working in this small area, I'm gonna only apply 2 to 3 drops of gel. Once we have the gel on our applicator, we're just gonna now blotch out the gel onto the paint. And for now, I'm only gonna work in this area. Once I blotched it out enough, I'm now gonna wipe it in straight lines. And same as the speed wipe, I'm doing it in straight lines because for whatever reason, if my applicator has any loose dirt or debris, I don't want to be rubbing in any more scratches and swirls that the paint could pick up. And the reason we tend to get water spots is different situations, such as light rain, cars passing by and splashing dirty water. Point is, the water is unfiltered, unclean, so the minerals tend to build up and stay onto the paint. So that's exactly why you just want to do it as soon as you can, especially when it's this easy. And as far as this goes, you want to make sure you keep the gel to paint, glass, and metals because it's a common misconception that people would tend to put it on their trim or mirrors. Do not put it on your trim and mirrors. And now that we got the gel applied onto the surface, we're gonna go back to speed wipe to make the removing process a lot easier. So this time, I'm actually gonna spray directly on, just a little bit onto my microfiber towel. And let's see what the results are of the first pass of water spot remover gel. And again, just like before, keep it a straight lines. This is black paint that we're working with, so any scratches and swirls will pick up and be noticeable. So now I'm gonna go to my dry side and remove any of the excess speed wipe. And as you can see, this is where the water spots used to be, but now they're gone. Good thing we took care of this now because it could have got a lot worse, damaged the paint, and a lot more expensive to remove. And if you noticed, I put some tape here just so that I can see a 50-50 of what we used to have and now what we achieved. So if you look at this side, we're still suffering from these nasty looking water spots. It is black paint, so they're highly noticeable. It's a beautiful car, so we want to make sure we get ahead of the problem before it becomes permanent, especially when it's such an avoidable problem. So now I'm gonna go around the car, get rid of any other water spots that's still left, and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, so we just finished using our water spot remover gel on this entire vehicle. As you can see, the results are day and night, but we did remove some existing coating that the vehicle might have already had. In this case, we're gonna use Blazing Banana to add another layer of durable high gloss protection, but I'm not gonna bore you with the application process of this one. We have tons of videos on that. Make sure you check them out. I already taught you how to remove water spots. You saw how easy it was. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you have any questions still, comment down below. And I'm Brian. Thank you for being with us. We'll see you on the next one.